In this video, we're going to have a look at integrating a hyperbolic function where the square is involved. So if this was sine squared 6x cos 6x, it'll become a lot easier. We can use substitution because we get that sine differentiates to cos, but there's nothing to differentiate to here, if that makes sense. And in the case where it's just sine squared or cos squared, or even cos squared or sine squared, back to A-level maths, and not A-level further maths, we'd have to use the double angle formulae. In specific, when you combine this first double angle formulae with this equation here, we get to one that is only representative for sine squared. If we make that the subject of this formula, cos 2a equals 1 plus 2 sine squared, we'll get that sine squared of a is equal to, well, first we subtract 1 from both sides and then we divide both sides by 2. So we get cos 2a, take away 1, all over 2. Now, rather than writing it all over 2, I'm going to write this as over 2 as two separate terms, and you'll see why this helps later on. What we want to find is the integral of sine squared 6x. So we're going to replace a with 6x. We can then write out that sine squared of 6x would be, well, 6x times 2 is 12x, so we can write this as cos of 12x over 2, and then minus a half. Essentially, integrating sine squared of 6x is the same as integrating all of this. So let's have a go at integrating all of this. Integrating cos of 12x, well, that will be 1 over 12 sine of 12x. So let's write that out. Actually, let's do it in a different color. So you'll notice that I like to change color quite a lot, but hopefully it helps with like long-term memory. So integrating cos of 12x is the same as 1 over 12 sine 12x. In that case, integrating cos 12x over 2 is the same as a half of everything here. So it'll be 1 over 24 sine 12x. That means that this function here, when you integrate it with respect to x, it will become 1 over 24 sine 12x minus a half x. You do also have to remember the plus c because this is a form of indefinite integration. And that's it. That's everything for this question. Do be sure to remember this little key fact. It does pop up in exams. But yeah, be sure to leave a like if the video did help and subscribe. I'd appreciate it a lot. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching your video. I hope it helped. If you have any tutoring inquiries for A-level further maths, be sure to hit my website up at www.excelineducation.co.uk.